Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 2 minutes, so let's see what happens. Pretty sure I'm going to watch Boeing out of the opening gates, ticker symbol BA. All right, watching Boeing for a potential break of 155. I'm in. I think this thing wants to get back above 155. There is the break. And out there for a very quick $250 scalp. Let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 147.50 here to get short 500 shares. Unfortunately, it paused, went up and hit as high as 147.31. So it was kind of close, but not close enough. So at this point, I'm now going up to 148.50. So we'll see if it can work its way up there. Watching for a short of Boeing if it can break down through 150. So I'd like to see confirmation though that this one is going to show weakness, because it very well could still bounce upwards. But yeah, if it does want to break down through 150, I would be interested, but now back above 152. So all right, I'll keep a close eye on it, but that's the current level that I'm really watching close. All right, I'm going to re-advise and get short here at 152.46. I think this thing wants to drop down below 152. So let's see if it can break down through there. There's the break. And all out there for another quick scalp on it. So 48 cents in a very short amount of time. Now up 490 on the day. We're 10 minutes in. So almost $500 in 10 minutes. I'll take it. Let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 33.85 here on UAL to buy this pullback. So got in there for my opening 500 shares. So let's see what this thing wants to do, and wanted to give me the $50. So there we are. Let's see, $540 now. We are 22 minutes into the day. And as my mantra goes, $500 a day keeps the day job away. So yeah, very happy with that. Very efficient morning. MU bleeding. Let's see what's going on with this one. Oh, wow. Oh, it's just going to make it alert in the chat room. Somebody's already got it alerted. Well done, group. All right, wow. Crazy movement here. Go to 40.15 here. So yeah, let's see if this thing wants to continue on with the crazy move. So 40.15. You know what? I bet what I can do, and just go right there at 40.01. So let's see if it wants to pull down to 40 there. Actually, shame on me. I need to go down here because let me actually change up. Let me change this to the 5-minute. I didn't notice this. Let me squeeze down. But right there we have the pink line there, the 200 period moving average, right now valued at 39.48. So that's why I adjusted my order down to 39.51. That is a level that I could see it going down to, finding some support and bouncing from. Although my original order still wouldn't have worked out because I was at 40.01 and that hit 40.03. So I would have still been 2 cents off in that regard. But all right, let's see if it can work its way down to that 200 period moving average. All right, well, it is 9:59 a.m., 10 a.m. I got some other stuff I need to get on with my day. So I'm going to call it a day, 30 minutes and $540. And like I was saying, $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'm very happy with that. A very kind of uneventful day, and I mean that in a very pleasant way, because everything worked out very nicely, got filled, got out. If you've watched past, well, I'm lying now because So maybe we'll get one more, because look at Roku here. Let's see, 89.51. So 89.51, I did reduce my share size down to 300 shares just because I don't want to give away my entire day. But if this does want to bounce, maybe I can get a quick little final scalp here, but need to see a fast move down through 90 in order for me to be interested. So can it break down through 90? And like I said, needs to move relatively quick. So that was not quick. There we go. Well, never mind. It hesitated too much. So I'm going to go down to 88.51 then. If you go back and rewatch the screen, you'll see that it was just sitting there and was not filling me. But we'll see if this movement wants to actually give me an even better entry point. Wouldn't that be nice? So 88.51. Let's see if it can get down there. There's the break. Now it's bouncing back up. Oh, wow. So in hindsight, I shoulda, coulda, woulda just left my original order at 89.51 and I'll still been fine. But all right, well, never mind. That one didn't quite work out. But like I said, I do actually have other things I want to and need to get done here. So I'm wrapping things up. $540, 30 minutes. If you did enjoy the video, before I go, a quick way to communicate that to me. Hey, Clay, thank you for making these. Please keep making these live trade videos. Just to hit that like button, that really goes a long way in communicating to me. Also, leave comments down below if you have suggestions or questions or whatever. Then let me know. And just how have you been doing in the markets? Clearly very crazy right now. So let me know below. Are you not necessarily making a bunch of money, but are you at least treading water? Hopefully, at worst case, you're not necessarily in the green or break even, but if you're on the losing side of things, hopefully in a controlled way. So let me know down in the comment section below. Then also check out the channel as a whole. There's lots of other live trade videos. There's various types of content on the channel. So I'd encourage you to check it out, and hopefully you decide to make the decision to hit that subscribe button. But if nothing else, and you just enjoy these videos and want me to keep making the live trades, then like I said, hit that like button. Thanks for hanging out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.